Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yesenia. If you didn't know, now you know. You're probably wondering, okay, why are we in your bathroom? Because today we are going to be cleaning my bathroom and organizing my drawers. So yeah. I really like to watch cleaning videos, so I was like, why not just show them, because I'm gonna go ahead and clean my bathroom anyways, and I've been wanting to do this for a pretty good minute now. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy me cleaning my bathroom and organizing my drawers in my bathroom. You hear me mention a lot in the video that my drawers will not be staying like this, because they won't be. So I'm not going to continue on rambling because I do say that a lot in the video and I do explain why. So yeah, so let me know if you're cleaning along with me, because I don't know about y'all, but I know when sometimes I'm like down in the dumps, or not even just down in the dumps, but when I'm cleaning, I like to see other people cleaning. Like, is that weird? Maybe. But you know what? It's okay. Alrighty, so make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below if you want to see more videos like this, and don't forget to subscribe. Alright you guys, so I cleaned the toilet as y'all saw. I really want to try to organize everything in here. I do not have the storage bins that I want yet. I'm going to be ordering them on Amazon, and I don't know how long that's going to take, so I'm just going to really work with what I have. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and take everything out of here. And I'm going to figure out how I'm going to make the space work, because I feel like I can put more things in here, but like I said, I don't have the right storage bins. So yeah, it's probably not going to make too much of a difference still, because I don't have the right storage bins. But I do want to organize it, because that's a hot mess and I cannot start my week off like that. Okay, so here's a bit of an update. I'm just trying to figure out what is most convenient to put in what storage bin. Sorry I look crazy, but yeah, if you're wondering why I keep moving things out of like the same bin and putting different things in it, it's just to see what's gonna be best, what's gonna be the most convenient for me. And yeah, so yeah, I just want to let y'all know, that way you're not confused or anything. Okay. So this is kind of how I did it for right now. I just threw my cleaning supplies on the side here, and here's my wax pot. I threw it on top of my, basically like my irons, my hairstyling tools. And back here is something that I use whew, sorry, I almost fell. Something I use for my shower. I normally like stick it to the wall, but it ended up falling the other day, so I'm gonna be sticking that back on there. But I really want to clean that, and I think it fell because the items that I had in there were like too heavy. Let's see, and in here is kind of where I stored, you know, the girl goodies and my headbands. I have a lot of them, and then I can't remember what these are called. Hold on, let me see. Maybe I can see here. I think they're called just like sponges, because that's what I would have called them. They're called Mish Body Sponges. And I got this at TJ Maxx for $3. And there was like 4 of these sponges, which is really, really good. I got that in there. And then, to be honest with y'all, I didn't fix anything in this drawer. So that is something that does need to get fixed and organized. So I'm going to go ahead and tie up my hair because I'm pretty sure it's going to get hot in here in a little bit. And let's just finish up in the bathroom. Alrighty, you guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I will be giving y'all an update with my bathroom sometime in the future, or whenever it is that I do purchase my little storage bins. And yeah, I hope you're having a beautiful day or a beautiful night, and I hope you got your cleaning done too. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.